How can you make money with your music? Streaming? Touring? No. Merch is what will get you the big bucks. In this video, we'll take a look at 5 product categories that you can start selling to support your music project in just a few clicks without any upfront costs. But first, our Spotify playlists have been pretty boring lately. If you're a musician, drop your Spotify or YouTube channel in the comments and we'll check it out. And who knows, maybe some of our subscribers will too. The traditional merch table is a beloved part of any show, and it's certainly not going anywhere. But nowadays, musicians can create a new revenue stream by selling their merchandise online. When you make your own merch through screen printing or use a small local production partner to do it for you, it can be a big investment of time and money. That's where print on demand, or POD, comes in. With a POD provider like Printful, you're able to work on the fun parts of merch, like designing and marketing, while we take care of the production process and logistics. Test new products from our vast product catalog and ship internationally without hassle. You don't have to rely just on ticket sales or streaming royalties anymore. You could build a whole brand for your music with high-quality merchandise. So, let's take a look at what kind of merch you could sell with us. No merch store is complete without a good hoodie, especially during the colder months. Hoodies are already considered premium products, but if you want to offer your fans something really high quality and long-lasting, you can go with our Unisex premium hoodie. You can choose between 2 techniques: direct-to-garment printing or embroidery. With direct-to-garment, you have almost limitless options for the design. Print photos of your band, an album cover, or just the logo. With embroidery, your design options are a little more limited, but embroidery will make your products stand out, as relatively few POD providers are able to offer the embroidery technique. Plus, it will make your products feel even more high quality. The industry average for a hoodie is around $65 to $75. When deciding on pricing, a good strategy is to do a little market research. Look at how other artists with a similar fan base as yours price their products. Also, think about the age of your fan base. Adults with their own disposable income will have higher buying power and are more likely to purchase premium products. But if your audience is younger, this is a good product to feature on your website during the holiday season, when parents will be looking for presents for their teens. A t-shirt is the bread and butter of merchandising. So if you're planning to start selling, a t-shirt is a must. It's accessible and works for every season. When it comes to pricing, the industry average for bigger artists is around $40, but you can price yours around $20 to $30 to make them more affordable. Our t-shirt selection is large, so you're sure to find a model that works for your price point. Here's a few suggestions from us. Our premium heavyweight tee and unisex organic cotton t-shirt are favorites with our customers. Both of these models can be used as exclusive promotional t-shirts for your products. If you're promoting a specific EP, or let's say a tour, you can print lyrics from a song or the tour dates on the shirt and offer it for a limited time. That's a great way to bond with your fans. You'll give them something that makes them feel like they're a part of your artistic journey. To build that feeling even more, offer these shirts at specific shows. Since Printful doesn't have any order minimums, you can print as many or as few shirts as you like. Our unisex denim t-shirt, on the other hand, will make your merch stand out. Why just sell plain black or white shirts when you can offer something a little edgier? Especially if your fan base loves alternative rock or punk music, or is influenced by grunge fashion. When you offer products that are a little different from regular merch, the most important question you have to ask yourself is, would you wear this? If you yourself would love to have a t-shirt like this, it's very likely that your audience will too. To up your branding game, you can also add your band's logo on the inside label. This will make your merch look more professional and fully branded. Another staple for any merch store is posters. When we really love an artist, we want to show off that love. Back in the day, we used to do that by scouring magazines for posters of our favorite artists. I used to spend all my weekly allowance buying German magazines just because they had a poster of Rihanna inside. I don't even speak German. But now you can easily offer your fans high-quality images of your album art, song lyrics, or photos of you, the artist. The enhanced matte paper poster will be perfect for your merch store. It has great print quality, nice thick paper, and it comes in 12 sizes. The general industry price for posters is between $20 and $30. A tip from us is to offer this poster as the permanent, affordable choice in your store, but release limited edition artwork on the enhanced matte paper frame poster from time to time. A framed poster can be a way to upsell this product, and you can market it as a kind of a collector's item. A tote bag is a part of many merch stores, and for good reason. There's a high chance that if your fans find your tote bag good quality and sturdy, they will carry it around everywhere, which means your logo or artwork will be seen by loads of people. Increased visibility for your band never hurts, right? Plus, a tote bag is a good item to sell in a bundle. When you release a new project, you can throw together a few different bundles with variations of your most popular products at different price points. One affordable option could be a tote bag plus a signed physical copy of your album or EP. Another, more premium option could be a tote bag, a t-shirt, and a signed album. Bundles, especially if they're limited edition, will get you more sales and create hype in your fan base. Our suggestion for your store is the Eco Tote Bag. Our customers love how sturdy and how long-lasting this bag is. The base consists of millennials or Gen Z, or if sustainability is important to you as an artist, you can emphasize that this is an eco-friendly product consisting of 100% certified organic cotton. Remember, your merch will sell the best if your fans feel like they can connect with you through it. Try to add a personal touch to these products. Play up inside jokes you have with your fans, offer signed merchandise when you can, or use our pack-in option to send a note or branded stickers to make the fans' buying experience better. I'll add a link to our branded pack-in page in the description for more info. Let us know in the comments if you have any other questions, we'll be happy to answer them. That's it for today. See you in the next video.